Welcome back. Today's video is my New Year's Day Get Ready With Me. To prime, I'm using the Hard Candy Sheer MV Hydrating Primer Mist. And for brows, I'm starting out with the NYX Micro Brow to fill in my brows. And then using the Maybelline Brow Precise to set and add some volume. To prime my eyelids, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Eye Primer. And then for shadow, I'm dipping into, in the Shaaanxo Remix palette, is Clarity and popping that in the crease. Then I'm dipping into Clarity and Buttercup to just pop that in the crease. And then to deepen up the crease, I'm using Terracotta with Buttercup and Clarity. Then I'm picking up Terracotta alone to really deepen up that crease. For the lid, I'm using my finger and I'm using Glow Baby. Then I'm going back in with Terracotta to make sure that the lid and crease connect together. And for concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. And then just to do a little light contour, I'm using the Shade and Light palette and the shade Somber. And then I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution bronzer just to warm up the skin. For blush today, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Dulce Pink. And for highlight, I'm using PINCHme from the Desi x Katie Dose of Colors collab. For mascara today, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara and the Maybelline Great Lash. Lots of lashes. Don't mind the glob of mascara on my nose. And for lips today, I am using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Nudist Peach. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great new year.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.